Let's try to find how the sum product function works in Excel with some good example. Okay, if you would like to learn more skills, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. Here I'm going to teach SAP also. Okay, let's get back to the practical actually. So if you look at this, in this example, this is the brand of iPhone and this is the quantity and this is price per unit actually. If you'd like to know the price actually, basically what you have to do, okay, you have to go and this into this. Okay, so now if you try to drag it down, okay, so let's try to do it. So you are getting the total. So now if you would like to sum or also any other way to make it sum like this. This is actually two-step process. This resulted value, I would like to get it in a single shot. That means product, it need to be multiplied with the price in this example with quantity and a total you want to get it. That's we can able to achieve by using the functionality called sum product. Okay, so let's try to one second. So now we are here. You have seen this, right? What we have done. So this is the multiplied and we made it the regular sum functionality. So now I would like to get the same result in single shot, just like that by using so equal to sum product. Okay, simple. So let's try to select the quantity of total column. Just put it comma. Now try and select the second column, close it, simple. You got the result. So it is matched, right? If I done with manually with the product multiplication and the total, but I can achieve with the single step. Let me show you again. Sum product come. So if you come here, let's try to select the quantity column. You can able to apply the same thing with multiple columns. Okay, this is a simple example. Now you got all iPhones total price, you got it. This is how you have to, you know, play with some product functionality. If you really like this video, please like it and it will boost for me if you like it and if you subscribe and if you would like to learn more things on Excel. This is also one of the right place in YouTube. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best and have a great day.